So you will lose the mark if you oxidize a tertiary alcohol, and that's the key rule. Here we go. This is the question given by one of the students. Let's read it. It says 2-methylpentane 1,2,4 triol is reflux with an excess of potassium, acidified potassium dichromate. What is the molecular formula of the main organic product? So it's 1 mark question. You please remember, you have to say the word acidified whenever you are talking about potassium dichromate as an oxidizing agent. First of all, let's draw this compound, and it says pentane. So I will draw 5 carbon atoms. And it says 2-methyl, so I will put a methyl group there. And it says 1, 2, and it says 4 triol. So I put the alcohol group on that, and I just put the hydrogen on the remaining places of the carbon, making sure that they are all 4 bonds. There are all 4 bonds in each carbon atom. Now, when you oxidize this compound fully, and the rule we know that if this is if you see this carbon atom is primary, because if you see it is connected with the carbon which has alcohol group is connected with only 1 carbon atom, so it's a primary. So this carbon will go and oxidize to C₆H₁₀O₄. It will make the acid. So you are going to only left with this, and this carbon atom is a tertiary, so meaning the methyl group. How do you know it is tertiary? There is a methyl group there. So carbon which contains, I'm going to highlight this, carefully look at this, the carbon which contains the alcohol group is connected to 1, 2, 3 carbon atoms. So it's a tertiary alcohol. So we know that it will not be oxidizing. So I will leave the alcohol as it is. Then I go to the next carbon, and it retains the hydrogen, and then next carbon. So now this carbon is connected with, so the carbon which has alcohol group, this carbon atom is connected to 2 other carbon atoms. So what is the rule? That it will turn into a ketone. We talked about this already. And the last carbon will remain as it is. Now, if you count each carbon atoms, so you will find that there are 4. So if I just count it quickly with you, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 carbon atom. And I have in total 1, 2, 3, 4. So oxygen 4, and number of hydrogen you will end up having 10. So the right answer is C. Okay. Please remember couple of things. Primary alcohol is always oxidized to the acid. Secondary alcohol is oxidized to a ketone, and tertiary alcohol does not at all oxidize. And that's it. And then you just locate the alcohol groups very carefully by just seeing how many carbons are attached on the carbon which contains the alcohol group, and you will get this answer always right. Thank you. Hopefully this is making sense. Let me know if you have any question.